How to post in multiple languages on Facebook. Make it easier for people who don't speak the same language as you to read your Facebook posts. It's easier than you might think. Social media has revolutionized the way people communicate with one another. Facebook is a social networking website where millions of people come together every day to share updates, photos, reels, and more. Why post in multiple languages? There are a lot of people who will find this option very useful. The first and most obvious use case for multilingual Facebook posts is businesses that have customers and partners all over the world, the kinds of companies that know that they have first language speakers of many languages seeing their posts every day. Instead of relying on Facebook to translate or worse, not translating at all, these companies can now just include multiple languages in the same post. Many international companies also run several Facebook pages that communicate in different languages. This could potentially help those companies consolidate at least some of their Facebook properties, making management of their social media marketing campaigns that much simpler. But it's not just these massive multinationals that will benefit. Accurate and effective communication is crucial in establishing a successful Facebook presence, and not having to worry about weird Facebook translations will help a lot of companies around the world. How to make multilingual posts on Facebook using the post editor. To get started posting to Facebook in multiple languages, you'll need to enable multilingual posts in your account settings first. Here's how to do this. On your Facebook page, go to Settings, Account Settings, General. Tap Language and Region, Multilingual Posts. Click Edit, and select on to enable the feature. Tap Save Changes. You may choose to write a Facebook post in a different language using its post composer. However, this option can be seen in the mobile version only. You can choose the language of your choice from the options available. Tap the alphabet icon to start translating or directly posting in the said language. You could rely on Facebook's built-in translation feature to communicate with those people, but as with any online translation service, you're not going to get great results all of the time. How to create a Facebook post from your page in multiple languages. If you have a Facebook page, you can post to your audience in multiple languages using the platform's built-in publishing tools. However, you'll need to be an admin of the page you're posting to. Now that you've enabled multilingual posting in the settings, you'll see a new option in the Page's Post Composer tool. On your Facebook profile, select the page you wish to post to. Switch to your page profile. Select Meta Business Suite. In the left menu, select All Tools. This will bring up a wider range of marketing and business tools available to you, depending on your region. You'll need to select Ads Manager. Your page's Business Manager panel will show up. Hit the three-line menu panel on the left menu to bring up another sub-menu. Scroll down to Page Posts under the Engage Customers section. You'll get a history of the posts published so far. Make sure you have selected the proper page, or you can change the option from the drop-down menu. Tap Create Post. Of course, you'll have to make sure that you're using good translations. Don't rely on an online translation service, even Google Translate. Make sure a native or near-native speaker is helping you out with your translations to make sure you benefit from this feature, or find a freelance translator to do it for you.